like so on. So how basically it works, the same technique you can multiply and you can basically solve any kind of questions. It's a very unique and easy technique. So there is no limit that there, if there is a, you can say higher digits or lower digits to higher digits or a simple balanced digits. So the same technique will work on the same all the questions, same patterns. So it's a very easy and very unique. So hello friends, my name is Khushboo and Vedic Maths Mastery, it's my channel name. And if you think that it really works, if this technique will help you in your regular math and in competitive exam if you are preparing for, so it will really work. So just start with the revision, how it basically work. इन विद द 2 digits 11, सी यहाँ पर आपके पास 2 11 है और ऊपर भी 2 डिजिट्स है. जब भी आपके पास बैलेंस में होगा तो आपको क्या करना है, सिंपल आपको यहाँ पर ये वाली डिजिट पुट करनी है 3 and then you will add 2 digits in the middle of the 2 digits, 2 and 3 plus 5, and then you have to put down 2, and this is the answer. It's a very simple, and within 5 seconds or 2 seconds you can get the answer in just a one line. You don't have to basically solve intermediate steps. So just move to next question. You have to basically put 2 over here and then you have to add these 2 digits, then it will become 9 and then move 7. So how easily we get the answer? Again, just put down 5 and then add 2 digits, it will become 12. 1 will be carry over. Okay, 1 will be carry over. So when I will put down 7, so I'll basically add these digits. So 8 to 5. Again, this is the basically 2 1 3 and 2 ones. तो आप देख सकते हो 3 1 3 डिजिट यहाँ पर है, द हायर डिजिट एंड लोअर वंस. तो इसमें आप क्या करेंगे, देखिए 2 ones आपके पास में है तो you will cut down 1 1 and then you have to put 1 dashes in the behind and 1 dashes in the front. So at the time, next step is says when the 2 ones, so you have to basically add 2 digits at the same time. So you will add basically 0 and 3, it will become 3, and you will cut it down this, and 3 plus 1 it will become 4. You will cut down this, 2 plus 1 it will become 3. You will cut down 2 plus 0 and again 2. So you see with the higher digit you also got the answer in just 2 seconds. It's a very easy, very easy. Next question, as you can see here, there is also 2 ones. So what I have to do basically, 2 ones, so I will just put 1 dash in the behind and 1 dash in the front. 2 ones over here, so we have to add 2 digits at the same time. So 0 plus 2 will become 2. I will just cut it down this, 2 plus 5 it will become 7. So I will just cut it down this, 7 plus 5 it will become 12. So I will just, 1 will be carry over. I will just cut down 5 and 7 plus 0 it will become 7 plus 1 8. So basically this is the answer. So just move to next questions. Now this is the next questions. You can see here there is a 3 1. So what we have to do is we just cut down 1 1. Okay, so I just put down 2 dashes in the behind and 2 dashes in the front, and I will add 3 digits at the same time. 3 ones over here. So 0 plus 0 plus 3 it will become 3. I will just cut it down this. 0 plus 3 plus 1 it will become 4. I will write it down here like, and I will cut down this. So 3 plus 1 plus 2 it will become 6. I will cut it down this, 2 plus 1 plus 0 it will become 3, and I will cut down this, and 2 plus 0 plus 0 it will become 2. So this is the right answer, and within 5 seconds we just got the answer. See, there is also a 3 1, so I just put 2 dashes in the front and 2 dashes in the behind, and I will add 3 digits at the same time. So basically there is some other videos if you have watched. सो देर इज आपने देखा होगा ये सब चीज़ें कि उसमें क्या होता है कि जैसे आपको ये और ये प्लस करना है, फिर ये और ये प्लस करना है, फिर इस, वो बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग वे होता है. मैं आपको एक बहुत ही इजी वे में बता रही हूँ, क्योंकि ये जो टेक्निक्स मैं आपको बता रही हूँ ना, ये आप कभी भी नहीं भूलेंगे और ये बहुत ही इजी टेक्निक्स है. इनमें कोई भी किसी भी तरह का झूठ नहीं है कि आपको लगेगा कि यार बेसिकली किसी और डिजिट्स को अगर मैं सॉल्व करूँ तो क्या वो डिजिट इन वाले टेक्निक से निकल जाएगी. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. सारी की सारी डिजिट्स जितनी भी हैं आप किसी भी तरह की डिजिट को इन टेक्निक्स के थ्रू सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. 1 सीरीज, 9 सीरीज, 5 सीरीज और भी बहुत सारी ऐसी सीरीज हैं या कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस है जो मैंने अपनी वीडियोस में बताए हैं, जो मेरी पहले की वीडियोस है, तो आप उनको चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. 0 plus 0 plus 2, it will become 2. I will cut down this. 0 plus 2 plus 5, it will become 7. I will cut down this. 2 plus 5 plus 7, it will become 14. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 2, 14. So I will just put down 4 and 1 will be carry over. Cut it down to 7 plus 5 plus 0, it will become 12 plus 1, 13. I will again 1 will be carry over. So cut it down 5. 7 plus 0 plus 0, it will become 7 plus 1, 8. So this is the right answer. See, there is a 4 digits, larger digit and 3 ones. So what we have to do is we have to 2 dashes in the front and 2 dashes in the behind, and just 3 digits at the same time we add. Basically 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 3, it will become 3. And I will just cut it down this. 0 plus 3 plus 4, it will become 7. I will cut down this. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 1, 8. I will again cut down this. 4 plus 1 plus 2, it will become 7. I will cut down this. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 0, 3. I will cut down this. 2 plus 0 plus 0, it will become 2. And this is the right answer. And I hope that you like this video, and I hope that this technique has cleared you how basically all kind of digits work with this same technique series of ones. As I already told in my last videos, how the 2 series, 3 series, 4 series, 5 series and so on series basically work with the same technique. So you can check out. I will just give the link in the I button. You can check it out. And till then, bye bye and stay healthy.